mga boss, pagdating sa biritan ay kilalang kilala ang bandang ito. Sila ang nagpasikat ng mga paborito nating kantahin sa videoke tulad ng Luha, Basang-basa sa ulan at Halik. Sila ay walang iba kundi ang AGs. Kaya naman na-inspire ang PETA Theater o ang Philippine Educational Theater Association na gumawa ng isang comedy musical play entitled Rock AGs.
Hanapin ko ang kailangan mo sa mundo. Hahanapin ko kahit saan man yan.
Asahan na yun, no?
Uy, tuloy na! Tumumba, tumayo, tumulog dahil sa'yo tumawa. Lumuha, nabaliw dahil sa'yo tinuwa.
So Direk, paano niyo po na-conceptualize ang Rock AGs?
Rock of Ages. Actually, nag-umpisa to joke. Yung musical director namin, si Mike Solomon, about 2 years ago, another theater company was doing Rock of Ages. So, biro lang siya, sabi niya, kung meron silang Rock of Ages, dapat meron tayong Rock of Ages. Tapos sabi ko, ting! Bakit hindi? So, I thought it was a wonderful idea, even if it was just initially a joke. So, ngayon, 2 years later, we're about to open Rock of Ages sa January 31. I'm very excited for it to happen, and kasi parang binabago rin natin yung konteksto ng mga music ng AGs, di ba? From very personal Heartbreak Hotel to in-expand rin natin into a story that involves characters and a kind of context, which is isang komunidad sila na underwater dahil nagkaroon ng bagyo ng malaking disaster. And then, what do they do? Diba? Because Aegis' music is always about surviving and going beyond, no? But from the personal, now we're expanding it to a bigger one that is inclusive of a community.
Ano pong ginawa niyo dito sa storyline para maiba naman do sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy?
I think yung context. So pareho pa rin siya. The music it's just arranged na medyo mas contemporary lang with a different arrangement from Mike, which I think is very very maganda. Andun pa rin yung music ng Aegis pero parang inano lang siya in today's current parang sound. I think the major highlight is the music. You have to come and listen to their I cannot call myself a fan. I know of AGs, I know how they are, pero hindi kasi ako karaoke person. Pero I've fallen in love with their music now. And I think yun yung importante. Kasi yung music, we're reinventing it eh. And that's what makes yung culture and creation so interesting. Kahit luma, 90s, pero meron pa rin siyang gustong sabihin at magawa. Maiba naman, but it's still ours. I'm also very proud of the fact that we're using OPM music. And for me, yun yung isang importante, di ba? I have no problem with enjoying global art, whether it's music, whether pupunta dito ang international productions, that's okay. But we should also be proud of our own original music.
Basang-basa sa ulan. Ano yung mga palangka? Nasisilungan.
For all the fans of AGs, come and listen to your beloved music in a different context, in a different way. And actually for me, it will be successful kung kahit hindi ka fan ng AGs, kahit hindi mo kilala yung music, may enjoy mo siya because it's beautiful Filipino music and it's original. Thank you. Please come.
Kahit nakalipas na ang mga panahon ay patok na patok pa rin ang mga kanta ng AGs dahil marami ang nakikinig dito at marami ang nakaka-relate. Kaya naman kung gusto nyong marinig ang kanilang mga awitin with a twist of comedy, pumunta na kayo dito sa PETA Theater simula January 31 hanggang March 9 para manood manood ng Rock of Ages. Lady Karagay para sa Cultural Review.